Oh, sheep shit. Well, good morning, everybody. I didn't think it was supposed to do this today. I was just getting ready to do a quick video, firing up chainsaw on a stick. I'm gonna cut that damn tree right there out. And I was going to trim along here a little bit with my trimmer, and right down through here. And I was going to put 30 pounds of air back in the airbags in the motorhome. I keep forgetting that. I haven't filled them airbags for probably over a year. They're supposed to have 30 pounds of air pressure in them. And yeah, I keep forgetting. Thing rocks around like a ship. Well, I guess I'll wait and see if this blows over. It's really sticky and hot today. Wow. I mean, I don't mind the rain, but good God, it's hot. It's so freaking hot. So anyways, I'll be back if this ever stops. I guess I can blow this tank up. At least fire that up and get it going, yeah? At least we'll do that. I'll catch you in a minute. Well, that was an interesting set of events. I just drained the pool down so it could take a little more rain. Cut it back down to normal level. I just pulled the bottom hose off of the freaking filter pump and let her go, man. I got a board underneath of it so it doesn't dig a hole. So I'm already soaked, as you can see. I guess I'm gonna see about chainsaw on a stick. See about taking down that little tree over there. There's no good place to put you out of the rain. Is it that? Here we go. Maybe I can hit you here. Kind of like this. That's not too bad. Lock you down like that. Kind of out of the rain somewhat something. Alright, let me see what I get here. Holy. Take that off here. And if you come back up here and hit the trigger. Oh yeah, baby. Chainsaw on a stick. Okay. I have got chainsaw on a stick. Oh, it won't follow me out the door though. It's like 9 feet fucking long. Let me make this a little bit more controllable. No, that's as far as she goes. All right, well, come over here. Trying to do that for now. Holy, turn around. I'll drag that out there later. That thing had been cut down before. Turns out. And it grew back 2 more new trees. That son of a bitch. I guess what we'll do now is you can hop over this way, I suppose. Might be able to see, might not. Yeah, you can see right there. I'm going to put air in these airbags. The other side will be the same as this. Take the little cap off. There it is. Right here's the fitting. This doesn't have the automatic setup. Set you down. See what I got in it at first. Probably 0. It reads 0. And yes, they're 2 separate airbags. This doesn't blow them both up. See if it's taking any. Oh, and it is. Holy shit. That's fucking 50 pounds. What's some up, BLG? They're not very big bags. There you go, 30 pounds. That simple. Pop over, do the other side. Suppose you can come with me. It's not raining too bad. I don't think the camera will get ruined, per se. And we'll even set you up here. Let you have a boat's view of it. Should be like right in here. Right here is what I'm looking for. See? Take that off. Give it a little, give it a little air. See, I can see the motorhome going up. That's cool. Give it a little. 20 pounds, 24 pounds. I can't get on it. 26 pounds. 31 pounds, I'll take it. Now the motorhome should ride much better. It'll have a rear suspension, and that keeps cross-threading on me because I'm holding something. Oh well, there it goes. I guess that's all I'm going to do for today because, well, one, I'm soaked. Two, I gotta go figure out what battery goes to the freaking weed eater now. So, I won't be doing that today. So, I hope you like this little short one. Till the next time, folks, for Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG out in the rain. Who'll stop the rain? Not me. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out.